Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Our trade signals are giving us incredible opportunities. What I want to do with this video is show you the best way to enter after you see this signal fire. They fire in the alerts log. This is the pound Aussie we're looking at the moment, 3-minute chart above, and I mean you can see the benefits of these alerts. So here's how to trade these. I like using a 2-chart layout, 3 or 5 minute, whatever your preference is. I prefer the 3-minute. Some people like a 1 minute. I think that's too fast. The 3-minute for me seems to work out best. I've got a 30-minute under, and then I've got my multi-higher time frame indicator down the bottom. Simple rules of engagement. When the alert fires, what I'm going to do is mark up where the breakout occurred. Now we can mark that. In fact, we'll transfer it to the other chart. So I'll just click this. There's our breakout. Now I'm going to pick up the arrow. Where did it break? Here. Look left. It's a break of structure. This is the break of structure right here, this low. So what I'm going to do for entry is I'm going to transfer this through, and that's my entry point, short, when it trades back and we get a touch here. That's it. And I mean you can see the outcome of this signal here. Simple rules of engagement. Stop loss above the cloud. That's it. If this is entry, whatever that distance is, I'm looking for my first target to be 50% of my stop loss. Target 1. Take 2/3 off. So I'll generally, if I'm on MT4 or MT5, I'll open 3 positions. I'll close 2/3 and then I'll leave 1 to run. And then we trail it all the way with a trailing stop. That's it. So let's go through and have a look at these signals, and we'll apply the same rules of engagement. Now, here's the other thing too. If the signal fires, let's say this is a bullish signal here, on the 30-minute, it has to be running the same direction as the signal. And my multi-time frame needs to be predominantly the same direction. I'm going to ignore that because I'm looking for red signals given the 30-minute. You can see it's trending down clearly. So I'm looking for bearish signals, and what these signals will give me is generally when we get a pullback and the market starts to rotate, it'll give me the breakout. In any case, we'll have a look. Here's a signal here, and you can see this pullback. See that? Here it is. Yeah, that's the pullback. When it starts to rotate, we get the breakout, and there's our breakout signal. Again, we're going to pick up the arrow. Where did it break out? Look left, transfer it through. There's your entry point. Now, if it's trading with a lot of momentum and you don't quite get the pullback in your favor, let it go. And again, stop loss above the cloud here, profit targets, etc. As I mentioned. Look at the outcome. So we're only looking for red breaks, given that the 30-minute is bearish. Here's another breakout. It's a red break. We want that. Where did it break out? You can mark it up like that. Look left. There's your break here. Pull it through. Pulls back into this, and there's your entry. Stop loss above, and there's your trade. Continues down, and this is incredibly profitable. So now we've got a shift in the trend here. So as you can see on the 30, we've got green bars coming in, and we can see that this is now starting to look for the direction on the 30-minute. See how it's trading up? So we're looking for green opportunities, bullish, from this point onwards. So we could mark that, say from here on, this breakout arrow here, up arrow, we're looking for green opportunities. Just pull that back to the break there. That's the break there. Well, we had this signal, but we missed that because this was still started to curl around. You know, you might have missed it. That's okay. There's your opportunity here. Mark it up. Having a look down, we're broken above the cloud on the 30-minute, so that's okay. And we follow the same procedure. Mark it up. Where's the breakout? Look left. See that the previous high is here. Therefore, that's your entry point. Wherever the break is, look left, find the previous high. There's your entry. And nice trade. So we're only looking for bullish opportunities here. It's still bullish. We stay with it. We're not looking for counter trend. You can counter trend if you want to. There's just more risk involved. That's okay. But now we're starting to, definitely look for bullish opportunities. Here's another break here. There it is. Where did it break? Have a look left. There's your previous high. That's your breakout. And then you can transfer it through, and there's your trade. Entry there. This was a pound Aussie today. Again, mark it up. There's the break. It's bullish under. Everything checks out. Where's the previous high? Look left. Mark it up. And then continue it through. There's your entry right there. Guys, access the indicators. Head over to my website, tradingwithanthony.com, to the store here. For a small investment on your part, you gain incredible value. You get the indicators. We've got a Discord group. You can join this. Join VIP and join me on this journey. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.